Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add and sell digital products on Stan Store. So make sure to go to your Stan Store and make sure you are on your dashboard. As an example, if you still didn't finish, as an example, the store launch checklist, make sure to finish it. It's very simple. You'll have to add your profile picture, add your socials, and set up your direct deposits, then create your first product. For you, make sure to do it. For me, I'm just going to ignore all of that, and I'm going to this left panel. I'm clicking on store or my store, and this should take me here. Here, I'm just going to click on add product. And here we'll have to choose the type of the product that we want to add. Is it digital products? Is it an e-course? Is it a coaching call? Customer products? Whatever you want. For me, let's just say it is digital products. Here, you can choose a pic style. Do you want to see the preview here, call out, or button? So let's just say an example preview for me. You can select the image or thumbnail of your digital products. For me, I'm just going to upload the troll picture. For you, make sure to go and have a proper one. Here, you'll be able to make a title of it. For me, I'm just going to add a test, subtitle, an example of it. And I'm just going to do this again. And the button example gets, I'm just going to add it, gets it now. So yeah, that's good. I'm just going to click on next. Now you'll be able to add the description. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And you can drag, as an example, more images of the products in here. Also, you'll be able to change the call to action button, the price, and of course, you can also set a discount. You can upgrade to unlock other options if you want to. And here you'll be able to add contact info if you want to. And then you can go and click on publish. Oh yeah, you'll have to add, of course, the digital products since you are selling the digital products, right? Let's just add this video and let's just wait for it until it's uploaded, or once it is uploaded, and click on publish. Once you click on publish, as you can see, your product is published. Now, once you click on it, you'll be able to go and edit it more if you want to. And here we are. We just added, and on sale example, our products on our store. Of course, now if you go to the top right corner, you'll find here like a link. If you click on it, you'll be able to see your store. As an example, the thing that we just added. If you click on get it now, you'll be able to buy it right now, as you can see. So as simple as that, that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.